Average problems are extremely common, and you're likely to see multiple average problems on your exam. Generally, there are two kinds of averages. There's the median, and there's also the average known as the mean. The median simply means the middle number, much as the median in the highway is the concrete barrier in the middle of the road. So to find the median, all you do is you list your numbers from smallest to biggest. So hypothetically, your list could be 2, 7, 11, 15, and 19. And your median is simply the middle number. If you have an odd number of numbers in your list, it's easy to find the middle number. If, however, my list had only been 2, 7, 11, and 15, there isn't one middle number. The middle would be right smack between my 7 and my 11. So then to find the median of this list, you actually have to find the mean of 7 and 11, or the mean of your two middle numbers. The formula for the mean is simply the sum of your numbers divided by the number of numbers you added, and that's going to be equal to your average. Unless the question specifies the median average, if they simply say average, you can assume they mean the mean. Most people, when they say average, they mean the mean average. So if we wanted to find the mean or the average of 7 and 11, we would simply add 7 plus 11, divide that by 2, and we get 18 over 2, which is 9. So 9 is the mean average of 7 and 11, which therefore is the median of my list 2, 7, 11, and 15. So in this problem, they're asking us to find the mean and the average of two other numbers. So we'll be using the equation that our sum divided by our number, that's our average. And they tell us the average of the 11 numbers in the list is 14. So I could write my equation as the sum that I don't know divided by the 11 numbers, that's equal to 14. So then I multiply everything by 11 and I get my sum is equal to 154. Next, they tell me the average of 9 numbers in the list is 9, so I can write the equation following the same formula of my sum over my number is my average. So the sum that I don't know divided by 9 numbers is equal to 9, or the sum is equal to 81. So 9 of my numbers equals 81, and the grand total is 154. So I could write the equation that the first 9 numbers that equal 81 plus 2 more that I don't know, combined they equal 154. Or x plus y, the two numbers I don't know, they equal 73. And the question is asking for the average of my two numbers. So the last thing I do is I take the sum of x and y, which is 73, and divide that by 2. And that's my final answer. The average of x and y is 73 over 2. This problem should be pretty straightforward as long as we set up our equation right. Remember that that's going to be our equal sign. And more than, that means addition in our equation. So we could write that the average of 10, 30, and 50, which is 10 plus 30 plus 50, divided by 3, that is 5 more than the average of 20 and 40, and then some number that we don't know, or 20 plus 40 plus x divided by 3. I can multiply both sides by 3 to get rid of my fraction, and I'm left with the equation that 90 is equal to 15 plus 60 plus x. Subtract 75 from both sides, and I get 15 is equal to x.